G'day guys, welcome back to Red Trucks. Short little video about what I got up to on the weekend. I did a bit of hunting. Right now we're at Woolworths checking out the pegs. Didn't mind this one here. They were going for $3.25 today. That is the Hot Wheels I mean. As usual, Woolworths had the in-store music playing, so I've had to do a dub over. I like this VW Fantasy, saw it on big kegs. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I dropped a couple in the background there. I'll pick them up later. There goes another one. I think this is from the 2025 A case, if I'm not wrong. The power grabs were in a pretty sad state, as you can see there. Nice RX-7. Someone had already gone through the power grabs, which is bad in a way because you know all the good stuff is already gone, but on the other hand it's good if you're doing a video because it makes it easier to go through them one by one. Don't know if you guys have ever been through a power grab box, but they're really packly tight. They're packed in like sardines, so it's hard to do one-handed, hard to get them out, go through them and pack them all in again. So it's not such a bad thing if they're all in a mess like this. I can, like I said, go through them one by one and put them back and tidy up as I go. So it's all good. So here we go. We're just going to have a quick look what's underneath, and then we're going to repack them as best I can. There's that Tesla and the Pathfinder. Porsche. There's a VW Surf Rescue, I've already got that. Jeep. On to the next case is that fire truck. That fire truck was so disappointing. I waited so long for a new Matchbox fire truck and they give me that crap. It's all plastic. Just looks like some generic, what are they, Teamsters or those metal machines that sell for $1. That's the quality it looks like. Yeah, really disappointed. There's the ones I dropped earlier. Put them back on the pegs. It's always good to tidy up if you got time, guys. Otherwise us collectors look bad when there's a huge mess like this. There's a Toon garbage truck. So whenever I got some time I'll just do a bit of tidying up. The monster trucks. Another Hot Wheels that fell behind. There's a six-wheelers. I'm going to see a fire truck version in a minute. Still not tempted to get it though. There it is there at the front. Yeah, I can't see myself ever buying that. These six-wheelers seem to be themed on animals. That wasn't any die-cast in that box. There's a Super Rigs 12 something, $12.50 I think it was. $12.75 for the 5-pack Hot Wheels. You can get them in BW, Kmart and Target for $9. So why pay $12.75 at Woolworths unless it's something super special. So that was Woolworths. Oh, there's a bit more to look at yet. The 143 pullbacks I forgot about. These are all old stock. Seen them all before. This one here was probably my favourite, the pick of them. Now that is the end of Woolworths. Now it's onto a vending machine in Westfield. Just have a quick look at it. Here we go. Just approaching it. This is a vending machine I discovered a few months ago. $3.50 for Hot Wheels. You can walk about 5 minutes to Big W and get them for $2. So unless there's something super rare there, why would you spend $3.50? Unless you just don't want to queue up at the checkouts. A couple of premiums down there for $6, but nothing outstanding. A few monster trucks down below. So anyway guys, that was my hunt on the weekend. I did go to a flea market, which you'll see the video in the next few days. So hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye for now.